In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add titles in InVideo. If you want clean, professional-looking text on your videos, whether it's a simple headline or a stylish animated title, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and confidently. First, log into InVideo. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Open your project so the editor loads. Give it a moment if your media is still syncing. You want everything ready before placing text, so alignment and timing look accurate. On the left side of the editor, find the Text tab in the side panel. Click it to reveal two main options. You'll see basic text choices like header, subheader, and body, which are perfect if you prefer to design from scratch. You'll also see styles and a library of typography presets. These pre-designed options already come with layout, colors, and sometimes animation, making them great for fast, cohesive titles. Decide what you need. If you want full control and a minimal look, pick a header text box. If you want a polished design out of the box, choose a style from the library. Either way, click, then drag and drop your selection onto the canvas. Place it roughly where you want it to appear. You can always nudge and resize later. Use the alignment guides that appear to center your title or snap it to safe margins so it doesn't sit too close to the edges. Now edit the text. Double-click the box to change the words, then adjust the font, size, color, and weight in the right-hand properties panel. Keep contrast high for readability, light text on dark backgrounds or vice versa. If your sentence wraps awkwardly, tweak line spacing and letter spacing so it feels balanced. You can also reposition the box by dragging it and use the corner handles to scale without stretching. If you selected a styled preset, you're free to swap fonts or colors to match your brand. The underlying design will stay intact. Preview the scene to make sure the timing feels right with your visuals and audio. That's it. You've added a title to your video in InVideo by logging in, opening your project, choosing a header or a styled preset from the Text tab, dragging it onto the canvas, and editing the wording and look. With these essentials, you can build consistent titles across your project and keep your message clear and professional.